Everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will discuss the MCQs of international organization, and this video will be the continuation of the series of the international organization which is going on. So let's get started from the question number 176. Question number 176. Which one of the following statement is correct? Article 94 of the United Nations Charter provides that if a party to a dispute does not follow the decision of the International Court of Justice, the other party may approach the option A, General Assembly, option B, Secretary General, option C, the President of the International Court of Justice, and option D, the Security Council. Here in question number 176, correct answer is option D, that is the Security Council. Question number 177. Out of the following, who has not been elected as a judge of the International Court of Justice? Option A, Dr. Nagendra Singh, option B, Dalveer Bhandari, option C, R.S. Pathak, and option D, Ranganath Mishra. Here in this question, it has been asked who has not been elected as the judge of the International Court of Justice. In the given question, option D, that is Ranganath Mishra, has not been elected as the judge of the International Court of Justice. Question number 178. Universal Declaration of IHRC was made on which date? Here in question number 178, correct answer is option A, that is 10/12/1948. Question number 179. UNHDR was framed in the year option A 1945, option B 1948, option C 1950, and option D 1966. Here in question number 179, correct answer is option B, that is 1948. Question number 180. The Charter of the United Nations, option A, enumerates human rights, option B, imposes obligation on the states to promote human rights, option C, contain mechanism to implement human rights, and option D, imposes obligation on states to protect the human rights enumerated therein. On question number 180, correct answer obviously is option D, that is imposes obligation on states to protect human rights enumerated therein. Now let us proceed to question number 181. Human Rights Day is celebrated on option A 10 December, option B 24th October, option C 2nd October, and option D 1st August. Here in question number 181, correct answer is option A, that is 10th December. Question number 182. Which of the following is a human rights organization? Option A, LLO, option B, Amnesty International, option C, ICJ, and option D, Human Agency Organization. Here correct answer is option B, that is Amnesty International. Amnesty International is a human rights organization. Question number 183. Tri-party character is the outstanding feature of option A, International Labour Organization, option B, International Civil Aviation Organization, option C, International Criminal Court, and option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option A, that is ILO, International Labour Organization. Question number 184. In which year World Health Organization has been constituted? Option A 1942, option B 1944, option C 1945, and option D 1946. Correct answer here is option D, that is 1946. Question number 185. International Criminal Code was established in the year 1994, 2000, 2001, 2002. Correct answer here is option D, that is 2002. Question number 186. International Criminal Code consists of option A 18 judges, option B 15 judges, option C 9 judges, and option D 17 judges. Correct answer here is option A, that is 18 judges. Question number 187. On which date the statute of the International Criminal Code has come into force on? Option A 10 December 2003, option B 24th October 2002, option C 1st July 2002, and option D 1st January 2003. Here in question number 187, correct answer is option C, that is 1st July 2002. Question number 188. Which one of the following is empowered to set up commission for the promotion of the human rights under UN Charter? Here options are Secretary General, option B, Economic and Social Council, and option C, Security Council, and option D, General Assembly. Here correct answer is option B, that is Economic and Social Council. Question number 189. The headquarters of the Universal Postal Union is situated in option A, Geneva, option B, New York, option C, Rome, and option D, Bern. Here in question number 189, correct answer is option D. Question number 190. The International Criminal Court is located at Rome, New York, The Hague, the Geneva. Here correct answer is option C, Hague. Question number 191. Which one of the following is not an organ of the United Nations? Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council, World Health Organization. Correct answer is option D, that is World Health Organization is not an organ of the United Nations. whereas Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice and Trusteeship Council are the organs of the United Nations. Question number 192. Most of the rights of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights are incorporated in Part 3 and Part 4 of our Constitution, Part 1 and Part 5 of our Constitution, Part 7 of our Constitution, Article 308 to 311 of our Constitution. Here correct answer is option A, obviously, Part 3 and Part 4 of our Constitution. Question number 193. Decisions of the International Arbitral Tribunals such as the Permanent Court of Arbitration, etc. Option A have contributed to the development of international law. Option B did not contribute to the development of the international law. Option C have not added to the law in any of the branches of the international law. D have not clarified the law in any of the branches of the international law. In question number 193, correct answer is option A, that is, have contributed in the development of the international law. Question number 194. Rwanda International Criminal Tribunal has been established as per option A resolution of the General Assembly, option B direction of the Secretary General, option C ruling of the International Court of Justice, and option D a resolution of the Security Council. Correct answer here is option D, that is a resolution of the Security Council. Question number 195. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948 was adopted by the Security Council, the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council, Economic and Social Council on the recommendation of the Security Council. Here correct answer is option B, that is the General Assembly. Question number 196. When was the Rio Declaration on the Environment and Development made? Option A 1st June 1992, in December 1989, in June 1997, in September 2002. Correct answer here is option A, that is in June 1992. Question number 197. In which one of the following is the members of the Non-Proliferation Treaty NPT? Who is the member of the NPT? Israel, China, North Korea, India. Here in question number 197, correct answer is option B, that is China. Whereas Israel, North Korea and India are the defaulters of NPT. They haven't signed the NPT. Question number 198. Who among the following was the member of the International Court of Justice? Option A, Justice J.S. Verma, Dr. Nagendra Singh, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice Dr. A.S. Anand. Here in question number 198, correct answer is option B, that is Dr. Nagendra Singh. It was the member of the International Court of Justice. Question number 199. Which principal organ of the United Nations has been assigned specific functions by the Charter regarding the respect for the human rights and fundamental freedoms? Option A, General Assembly, option B, Security Council, option C, Economic and Social Council, and option D, Trusteeship Council. Correct answer here is option C, that is Economic and Social Council. Question number 200. Development of the international law through political organs of the United Nations has been authored by option A, D.P. O'Neill, option B, Ian Brownlee, option C, Max Sorensen, and option D, Rosalind Higgins. Here correct answer is option D, that is Rosalind Higgins is the correct answer.